Stop sending new fans to Spotify. Do this instead. Now, you should still have your music on Spotify, but think about this. If you have a new fan, you want to be able to continue to market to them. If they go to your Spotify, there's no way that you can even grab their email address. And having their email address is the best way for you to be able to market to them for life. I'll explain. When you have their email, you're not waiting on an algorithm or Instagram or Facebook to show your material to them. Instead, you can actually send them, hey, I'm releasing a new song tomorrow. Hey, I have a new music video. Hey, I have a new crowdfunding campaign. Hey, I have a tour coming up. This is where you buy a ticket. When you show up in their inbox, they're going to see it. Whereas if you're just posting on social media or if you're sending them to Spotify, you're hoping and praying that they go out and they go to your website or they find you somehow or they find your crowdfunding campaign somehow. Spotify is a good tool for promotion and you should be on there. But if you were, let's say, doing a live stream or you're on stage, don't tell people to go to Spotify. Instead, you send them to a funnel where you can grab their email address. What I always suggest is creating a funnel where you give away like a free song. And when you're on stage, you can say, hey, everybody, do you guys want a free song? And everyone's gonna be like, yeah, I want a free song. And then you're gonna go, okay, cool. Go to downloadmyfreesong.com right now. And when they go there, they're gonna put in their email. You've incentivized them, so you're giving them a free song, and now you can market to them forever. Whereas even if they follow you on Spotify, you're not able to tell them about other promotions that you're doing, selling tickets, and marketing to them in the way that email can. Email is king. I build all my funnels on ClickFunnels. If you'd like to learn more about how you can build a funnel so you can capture email addresses, comment the word funnel below, and I'll send you some info.